Hi guys, this tire combo is just amazing. It's the Mitas Enduro Trail XT Plus for the front. We got Motoz Tractionator Rallz for the rear. And these performed near flawlessly in a weekend Wisconsin ATV trails and a weekend in northern Minnesota.
Ready, set, go. There we go. All right, hold on.
Now we did have quite a bit of pavement for these weekend trips. It was several hours just to get to these trails. But at 35 PSI, you definitely get some rain groove wiggle. Once I got to the trails, I aired down to 25 PSI, both front and rear, and that was the magic number. It felt so good on the trails, gave me a lot of confidence in any terrain I encountered, and even on the ride home, fully loaded bike, 25 PSI, felt great. Video does not do this justice, but the sand here is ridiculous. Now the Achilles heel of many ADV riders is sand, and Wisconsin had no shortage of sandy sections.
Trying to look at your front wheel just went.
Several areas on this trail here that I just couldn't keep the bike moving, and I don't want to fault the tires for that. The tires, I think, did amazing. The sand in this section was just ridiculous. But these tires, they gave me confidence for further sand sections after I got used to these areas here.
All right, ready to go up here? We'll see what happens.
Now I installed these tires myself with the help of my Rabaconda Street Tire machine. This thing is amazing. It's a different video altogether. It really made changing the tire a little bit more enjoyable. Still a challenge, still some work, but we got it done. Front is on. The front, for some reason, didn't want to seat properly initially. I ended up flipping the tire. It is a bi-directional tire, the Mitas, for the front. Flipped it around, got it to seat a little bit better the second time. So I've got about 1,500 miles on these tires now, and they were just amazing, absolutely amazing. A little bit loud on the pavement, but man, on the trails, they gave me all of the confidence that I could ever ask for in a tire. Just so good. I ran about 25 PSI when I was on the trails, and actually even on the way home, I left it at 25 with my whole Moscow Moto kit loaded up, and they handled it really well. So highly recommend this set of tires. The front was a little bit more difficult to mount than I expected, but I used the Rabaconda, swapped out the stock Pirellis, put these on, and I have been really happy since. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you think about this tire combination. Let me know what combination you're running. Appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.